Hey guys, so if you cook with an air fryer, I am going to save you time and money with this video. So every air fryer comes with a basket that goes into it, right? And then inside the basket is another piece that rests on top that looks something like this, depending on the brand of air fryer that you have. Now, what happens is as time goes on, and you wash this coating that's on here is going to degrade over time, and then you're going to be looking for a replacement for this, okay? That doesn't have to happen. The sooner you do this, the better, so that you can save this piece from degrading over time. And it doesn't matter what brand of air fryer you have, they all do it eventually. So what you want to do is you want to put something on top of this so that the food is resting on top of the thing that you're putting it on top of. Now, I used to use aluminum foil, but that's bad because you don't want to use aluminum foil because as the aluminum heats up, it's going to leach into your food and could possibly cause Alzheimer's or cancer. We don't know, but the research shows that the aluminum leaches into the food. Okay, that's what I have read. So you want something else that's going to prevent your food from getting all over that tray that goes on the inside. So what can you use instead? Parchment paper. Parchment paper, okay? And I don't think it makes any difference what brand you buy. I actually bought this at a discount store, so it's probably not even available anymore. But yeah, I have been using parchment paper instead, and it says right on the box, safe to use in oven, use in microwave, great for baking, but it says it's good up to 450 degrees. Now, I crank my air fryer up to the highest setting most of the time because I'm not a patient person and I want to cook things as fast as possible. And I have not had any issues with this. So you just want to take a piece of parchment paper, and what I usually do, because it's such a long box, I take a piece off that's the right width, and then I fold it in half just so that I'm not wasting it. But you could cut it and save that other piece for the next time. But I usually just fold it so that it fits good in the basket, and you don't want it to stick up above the top because yeah, that could cause you some problems. So you want to get a piece that fits on the bottom of this tray thing, and it's okay as if it comes up a little bit, but make sure it doesn't come up over the top, and just fold it in such a way that it fits good. And the reason why this is going to save you time is because you are no longer going to have to wash this basket, because if you strategically place that piece of paper in there, any kind of oil or grease or anything that comes off the food you're cooking it in will stay in the parchment paper. So when you're done, you just throw the parchment paper away and you don't even have to wash this anymore. So that's going to save you time. And the reason why it's going to save you money is because you won't have to replace this at some point, because it's not always easy to find a replacement for that piece that goes in your air fryer. A lot of times you have to buy it through the company of the brand that you bought the air fryer from. And I think the reason why they do it that way is they want you to buy a whole new air fryer. And yeah, so don't do that. Air fryers are not cheap. Parchment paper is the answer. And then it's a lot safer than aluminum foil. And I kind of knew that in the back of my mind about the aluminum foil, but I had forgotten about it until I heard somebody talking about it in a YouTube video. And I was like, oh yeah, I should not be using aluminum foil. And I've been using parchment paper since then. And yeah, that could save me a world of trouble down the line. So yeah, just wanted to let you know about this because a lot of people probably don't know about it. So Thanks for watching and subscribing, and if this was a helpful tip for you, you know what to do. Bye.